I remember back in the day, these noodles, they used to be able to feed 4. Now, we're lucky if they can only do 2. You're gonna put all the cheeses in. You put cheeses in the noodles. It's really healthy. It's really healthy. Just like in the old days. Now we need some butter. I can't believe it's not butter. Actually came out a year before my brother-in-law got a pet snake, and boy, did that snake, oh God, did that snake terrorize me. You know, I threw a brick at it. And oh God, I just smashed its head everywhere. Get some butter in there. You know what, we're gonna put a little bit more butter in there.